Hey guys, for this video we're going to check out this Ace Cool air fryer. They were nice enough to send me this item for free so I can make a video showing it to you. We'll go over some of the features, then we'll cook some stuff in it and see how it works. This is really a 6-in-1 kitchen appliance. Air fryer, much like a convection oven, but not only is it an air fryer, it also will replace your microwave, your toaster. It works as a dehydrator, an electric griddle, and for many things you won't have to heat up the entire house with that oven. You can just use your little air fryer here. You can see up top we have a handy dandy touchscreen. We have the power button, we have the interior light button, light on. We have the button to turn on the rotating guy. That's a technical term right there. We have the temperature button going up to 400 degrees. We have a 60-minute timer right here. Then we have a bunch of presets across the top, including French fries and fish and pizza and chicken and all sorts of things up there. Now I want to give you some dimensions and then we'll check out all the accessories that comes with. So it's about 14 inches. About 14 inches and about 16 inches tall. Open her up. See, the light automatically comes on there. Your interior dimensions, about 10 inches, 11 and a half maybe, 11 to 11 and a half. And about 7 inches tall. Now let's check out all these accessories that come with it. First, we have the ever important drip tray. We'll just go ahead and throw that in right now. We have a rotating basket. That's right, stick it in there. Look at that, look at it go. Doubles as a great item for bingo night. We have a couple of wire baskets, a deeper one here. And then we have 3 shallow wire baskets. And a variety of accessories for our rotisserie and kebab needs. And then this is a little reacher tool for grabbing the stuff out of there. We just pull them out. I don't know about you guys, but I'm hungry. So let's cook something. First we're going to heat up some leftovers. Got a little leftover calzone, got some jalapeno poppers. Now we could throw something like this in the microwave, but then it would become a mushy, mucky mess, and it would taste disgusting. Air fryer, it's going to get nice and hot, stay crispy. Beautiful. Shut it there. We're going to hit the power button. I'm going to go with the pizza preset because it seems like a good idea to me. And hit start. This is 1800 watts. And pretty quiet. Seems about the same as maybe a microwave. Maybe even a little quieter than my microwave. And look at it getting all hot and bubbly. Alright, so after about 10 minutes in there. Look at that. Oh yeah, look at that guy. Why don't I do more videos where I get to eat? This is great. We'll be back with more Chef PJ in a second. Now we're going to see how this thing handles making a grilled cheese. We got some Texas toast. We got 3 pieces of cheddar. Going to add a little bit of pepperoni. That slice of cheese right there. Going to add a little jalapeno. And top it all off with some bacon bits. Oh yeah, got some ooey gooey goodness going. Getting a little toasted up at the top. Almost done. Oh yeah, look at that masterpiece. Rachel Ray who? Should have made my own cooking channel. There it is, guys. The Ace Cool air fryer. Thanks for watching.